Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to see how to include JavaScript inside the HTML file. Okay, let's start with a real-time example. Okay, uh, if you are a new user in this channel, please subscribe and hit bell icon. Now I am in Sublime Text Editor. Here I have created two files, index.html and index.js. I am going to place a basic tags in HTML. Okay, now inside that head tag, I am going to create one h2 element with ID, and I am not giving any messages inside that one. So I'm going to give a value for that h2 inside the script. So I'm going to create internal script inside the head tag. So just click script tag, and inside that I'm going to create one variable for that h2 element. Now I need to get that value, that element, using document dot get element by id. Then I'm going to set a value for that element using inner HTML method. Now I'm going to close this script tab. Let's see the results. Now it's reflected, so that value is set to the h2 element. Okay, so this is internal JavaScript inside the head tag. Like this, we can write a code inside the body tag. I'm using the same code but a different ID inside the body tag. Also, I'm changing the message, so it's inside the body section. So this is also reflected. And the best practices, if you are using head script, means you have to place inside the head tag. Now we are going to add external JS file. So I'm using the same script code. Most important thing, inside the JS file, you no need to use script tag. So I'm just changing the message here. It's not reflected. Why? Because we are not added the external script here. So for that you have to add script tag and also source. Inside the source we have to mention the path of the JS file. So now it's reflected. Why it's coming external JS? I'm also using this script is inside this one, right? So I need to get a both message, internal and external. Are you having this doubt? No, because HTML will execute line by line. So it will execute this script first. It's updated like internal JS in second. Then it will call outside JavaScript file. It is for same component. So it is updating them, replacing the same value. So we are getting latest script code result as the external JS inside head. So the same concept in body tag also. So it is reflected like external JS. Keep few points in your mind. The best practice for JS file is use external JavaScript file because they are having a lot of framework files, and if we need to override some components names, you have to create external files and you can modify that. So it won't affect inbuilt functions. Okay. Also, place that external files tag inside the head section. Thanks for watching.